Ako po si Jean Paulo Diet, ang Sable Operator ng LCC Legazpi. Nag-run po yung machine ng 7 days na may total of 31 meters. Printer head, capping, head clean, paglinis ng capping at wiper ng head clean. Nozzle check, ink system ay tama lang. Waste tank disposal every Wednesday. AVR. Ito po yung ink namin. Yung sa left side po is used, yung sa right side po is unused. Ito naman po yung sub-roll namin. Ito po yung ink monitor ng cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and yung sable paper po. Ito naman po yung daily output, and ito naman po yung daily checklist.